Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with RingCentral for CRM Call Notes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with RingCentral for CRM Call Notes, first, visit the RingCentral website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. Fill out the required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password for your account. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Log in to your newly created RingCentral account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Settings option in the sidebar. Click on Integrations to explore available CRM options. Select your preferred CRM from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your CRM with RingCentral. Authenticate your CRM account by entering your credentials when prompted. Once connected, explore the settings for Call Notes features. Enable Call Notes to automatically sync with your CRM. Customize the settings according to your preferences. Save all changes before exiting the settings page. Make a test call to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Record notes during the call, using the RingCentral interface. After the call, verify that the notes appear in your CRM. For additional support, consult the RingCentral Help Center. Explore the community forum for tips and best practices. You are now set up to use RingCentral for CRM Call Notes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.